G'day and welcome to Untwisted Star Spider with Jenny Brandis. A copy of the sampler pricking is available on my website. The sampler was worked with 14 pairs of Gutermann quilting cotton on a 2mm straight pricking. I have hung the threads on temporary pins ready for me to work the cloth stitch trail. Move the left pairs aside for the moment. I have worked the trail to the first leg pair and added the pin and a twist on the workers. Cross stitch through the outgoing pair, cross, twist, and cross. Do not add a twist to the outgoing pair on the left. Tension. Cross stitch through the passive pair, cross, twist, and cross. Bring in a new pair, cross, twist, and cross. Add 2 twists to the workers. Put up the pin and tension. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, and tension. Add a twist to the workers, put up the pin, tension. Cross, twist, cross. Do not twist the outgoing pair, just lay them aside. Take out the temporary pin and ease the threads into the work. Cross, twist, and cross. Bring in the new pair, cross, twist, and cross. Add 2 twists to the workers, put up the pin, and cloth stitch back through to the inside pin. Cross, twist, and cross. Cross, twist, and cross. Twist the workers, put up the pin, tension, and cross, twist, cross. Tension, lay aside the left pair. Remove the temporary pin and ease the threads into the work. Cloth stitch back to the edge and add a new pair. Cross stitch back to the inside pin. Add a twist. Put up the pin. Cross, twist, cross. Lay the left pair aside and work back out to the edge. Work the corner. Note that I chose not to add a corner pair. I slip my index finger under the worker threads so that my fingernail holds the head of the corner pin towards me while I slide the weaver down my nail and over the pin. Pin the trail pairs out of the way. As you move the inside pairs down, make sure there are no twists on them. Pick up your bobbin holder and place the left bobbin of each pair on it. Keep them in order. Lay the holder to the left and with the second bobbin holder, pick up the right bobbins in order. Lay that holder to the right, move the left holder next to the right one, being careful not to mix them up. Pin them out of the way. Repeat that process on the left side. I will be slowing the speed again when we get to separating the pairs. Remember each time you bring in the leg pairs not to have any twists added to them. Continue working down the trail. When we get to the corner, don't forget to use that little hint of your fingernail. After we have turned the corner, we will be putting the trail pairs aside so that we can start to work on the actual Untwisted Star Spider. Separate the inner pairs so that you can clearly see there are no twists on them. Using your third bobbin holder, pick up the left bobbins from the pair, keeping them in order, and lay the holder to the left. Using your fourth and last bobbin holder, pick up the right bobbins. Bring the holders down while maintaining the left-right positions. I have got the two on the left and right, and left and right for the right bobbins. Now what we do is pick them up and turn them over from right to left. This is very important. Now we are treating each holder as an individual thread. Cross the center two holders, twist the left two holders, then twist the right two, put up the pin, and cross the center two holders. Put the right hand holders to the side while we work on the left. We are going to remove the holders next, being careful to maintain the order of the bobbins. Separate the bobbins, counting from the left, move bobbin 4 over to the left of 8, 3 to the left of 7, 2 to the left of 6. This has returned the bobbins back to pairs. I'm currently placing a pin between the pairs to keep them separated. Then bring down the left trail workers. Now to zoom in on the pricking. These are the trail workers and the outgoing legs. Cross, twist, and cross. The outgoing star pair do not have a twist here. This is very important. Add a twist to the workers. Put up the pin, tension, and cloth stitch back to the edge. Add 2 twists to the workers, put up the pin, cross, twist, cross, lay aside the outside pair, then cloth stitch back through the passive. Bring across the next outgoing star pair. Make sure the outgoing pair does not have any twists. Cross, twist, and cross. Twist only the worker pair. Put up the pin and tension. Cloth stitch back to the edge. Add 2 twists to the workers. Put up the pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, add a twist to the outgoing pair and lay it aside. Cross, twist, cross, and bring in the next outgoing pair. Notice again, no twists in this pair. Cross, twist, and cross, twist on the workers, and put up the pin. tension and work back to the edge. Put in a twist, put up the pin, cross, twist and cross, lay aside the outgoing pair, cross, twist and cross, and bring in the last outgoing leg. Cross, twist and cross, add a twist, put up the pin and tension. Work back through to the edge and lay out the outgoing pair. Cross, twist and cross, and then lay to the side while we work on the right side. Working on the right side, I have sped up the video. Remove the bobbins from the holders, making sure that they do not get mixed up. Separate the bobbins and return the bobbins to pairs. Pin the pairs to the side. Bring down the outgoing pair and the workers from the trail. Cross, twist and cross. Add a twist to the workers and put up the pin. Tension and cross stitch back to the outside edge. Add 2 twists to the workers, put up the pin, cross, twist and cross, and lay aside the outgoing pair. Cross stitch back to the center, bring in the next outgoing pair, cross, twist and cross, add a twist to the workers, put up the pin, tension and cross stitch through to the edge. Repeat for the next 2 outgoing pairs, making sure each time that there are no twists added to those inner legs coming out. This has become my longest video yet. A copy of the sampler pricking is available on my website, and the pattern you can see at the beginning of the video can be found on my Etsy store.